In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency settings on your Wix website and add a handy currency converter for your customers. This process is essential if you're dealing with an international audience and want to provide clarity on pricing. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to log into your Wix account. Once you've accessed your account, navigate to your site's dashboard where all the magic happens. This is essentially your command center where you can manage everything related to your website. Now, take a look on the left-hand side of the screen and you'll see a menu. In this menu, go ahead and click on Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can configure various aspects of your site. Now that you're in the settings, find the section labeled Language and Region. This is where you can customize your site's display settings, including language and currency, to better cater to your audience's locations. Within this section, you'll see a part dedicated to currency. Here, click on the drop-down menu to reveal a list of available currencies. Simply select the one that aligns with your business needs or customer base. This change is crucial because it ensures that all prices shown on your site reflect the currency you'd like to use. Once you've chosen your currency, remember to click Save. It's important not to overlook this step, as hitting Save will confirm your changes. As soon as you save, all the prices on your site will automatically update to reflect the new currency symbol. This update not only provides clarity, but also enhances the shopping experience for your visitors, showing them exactly what they can expect in terms of pricing. Now, let's make it even easier for your customers who might be seeing your site from different parts of the world. We're going to add a currency converter. To do this, move over to the Wix editor. Once you're there, focus your attention again on the left-hand side of the screen and click on Add Elements. You're going to be looking for the Store section, so go ahead and click on that. In the Store section, you'll find an option for a currency converter. Click on it and drag it onto your page. Position it wherever you think it would be most helpful for customers browsing your site. Once it's in place, click on the converter to access its settings. Here you'll find a Currencies tab. This is where you can customize which currencies you want to display. Click on plus Add Currency to select all the currencies you think your shoppers might need. And that's it. You've successfully updated your site's currency settings and added a useful currency converter for your audience. This small tweak can make a significant impact on how effortless it is for customers to understand pricing, irrespective of where they are from. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.